Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan Hoster. I'm a staff member in the admissions office at the College of Engineering and Computer Science here at Syracuse University, and we're very excited and grateful that you're interested in learning more about the opportunities that Syracuse offers in engineering and computer science. We've assembled a great team of some of our best and brightest students to give you a look inside our laboratory and give you an idea of the exciting hands-on experiences you would have inside and outside the classroom as an engineering or computer science student here at Syracuse. Enjoy the tour.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Jared Kashmark. I'm a junior here, mechanical engineering major, and going to give you guys a little tour of the student machine shop in the engineering college. So just walking through, you can see all the different machines we have here. A lot of different stuff for manufacturing. We have milling machines. This is a lathe over here. If you're a mechanical ECS 101 student, you will be in this lab first semester. You don't have to wait to get hands-on. And any student in the engineering college is welcome here. A lot of students will do personal projects, as well as extracurricular projects here for clubs they're in. And training for this is available from Tim Breen. He is the student machine shop director. He trains everyone that comes in here, and you can get very proficient with these machines. A lot of different stuff going on here. We have all the different 3D printers, wide variety. We'll print ABS plastic, and students are able to come in here and pretty much print anything they want, as long as it's not, ginormous, draining everything. You basically come up with a CAD file, and you can come in here, and the workers here, such as myself, will assist you. Here's an example of some more of the CNC stuff. So we have a CNC lathe over here, a CNC mill. CNC just kind of refers to it being ran off of a code on a computer. A lot of high-tech stuff you can do with that, cool stuff. So now we're in the welding shop. This is also where we have our water jet cutter, the Wazer. Basically what this machine does is you can put a material on it and you can cut out any shape you desire, and it's done with water, and all this sandy stuff here is an abrasive mixed in the water, and it's shot at the material at an extremely high PSI. So it cuts through steel, aluminum, any of the hard materials. And yeah, it's very, very useful for any project work, and just overall pretty neat. And then also as part of the shop, this is the welding shop. So, well, we have our gas cans over here. We have our TIG and MIG welders. There's Nate. He's about to do some TIG practice right there. Any student can come in here and get trained and, weld for a project, for spare time, for extracurriculars. It's pretty endless, the stuff you can do in here. So this shop is so unique because you get a lot of hands-on experience you don't get in the classroom. And companies, they look for that type of stuff. So you'll see stuff like this in industry, and it's good to know from a design aspect coming in how it actually works on the front lines. And that's what you get here. As a freshman, I came in and I just wanted to jump right into this stuff because it really is, it's fascinating, and it's really the roots of mechanical engineering right here with manufacturing and stuff. So it's pretty much a tour of the machine shop. Definitely cool to be in here. I personally work in here. I'm in here all the time. Doing a bunch of stuff, so it's definitely cool to get hands-on experience and get outside the classroom.
Hi again, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and we're excited to learn about the hands-on opportunities inside the laboratories here at Syracuse University. We look forward to connecting with you during one of our live virtual sessions. We have info sessions where you can connect with us from the admissions office. You can connect with our current students and connect with our professors to talk more about your interests, as well as the opportunities here and how Syracuse could be a great fit for you for your education in engineering and computer science. We hope to connect with you soon. Go Orange!